a 2009 Toyota Camry. It's straight from foreign use, extremely clean. They have the alloy rim here. Let me show you around this car. This was newly imported. Let's see how clean this car is. This car can go very, very fast. See how clean the interior is. No scratch in the interior, very clean. The dashboard is very clean, no cracks. Everything here works normally and perfect. This is the engine of the Spider. Just see how cool it is. Almost brand new, direct to Kumbo. So thank you for checking our videos out. This is all about our 2009 Toyota Camry and it's up for sale. It's going for 9.5 million and we can deliver it nationwide. Thank you so much and subscribe to our channel. Peace out.